10 Best Cold Air Intake for 5.7 Hemi RAM 1500 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Dodge Ram 5.7-liter Hemi Cold Air Intake. Ready to truly unleash your Dodge Ram 5.7-liter Hemi? This Mopar OEM Cold Air Intake (CI) system is precisely engineered to transform your driving experience. By drawing in cooler, denser air directly to your engine, you'll immediately feel a significant boost in horsepower and torque, accompanied by a sharper, more responsive throttle. Say goodbye to restrictive factory airboxes. This CAI optimizes airflow, allowing your Hemi to breathe freely and perform at its peak. As a genuine Mopar OEM part, you're guaranteed a perfect fit, unmatched reliability, and the quality assurance you expect for your truck. Enhance that iconic Hemi growl and experience the power you always knew was there. It's the ultimate expert upgrade for serious Ram owners. Number 9. K&N NextGen RAM 1500 CAI 2013 to 2024. Ready to truly awaken your Ram 1-500-2013-2024. The K&N NextGen Cold Air Intake is your answer. Dyno proven to unleash guaranteed horsepower and torque, you'll experience an exhilarating engine roar during acceleration, with absolutely no drone at cruising speeds. Our innovative hybrid airbox and oversized radius entry filter work together, drawing in more cool, fresh air while safeguarding your engine. Coupled with our CED-designed intake tube, you get optimized airflow and boosted airspeed for maximum performance. Installation is a snap with quick lock technology, enhancing your engine bay style in minutes. Trust K&N's legacy of superior filtration since 1969, backed by a lifetime warranty. Give your Ram the power and protection it deserves. Number 8. Ram Hemi 5.7 L Cold Air Intake with Heat Shield. Unleash your Hemi's potential with this cold air intake and heat shield. Engineered for 2009 to 2015 Ram 1500/2500 and 2009 to 2011 Ram 3500 5.7L V8 Hemi trucks. Guaranteed to exceed OE standards, it delivers instant gains in horsepower and torque. Experience that aggressive, deep intake note every Hemi owner desires. Our professional-grade system dramatically reduces air restriction, ensuring a steady flow of colder, denser air thanks to the included heat shield. This is a true plug-and-play upgrade with no drilling or modifications required. Built for superior durability and backed by a 12-month warranty, you're investing in proven performance and peace of mind. Elevate your Hemi today. Number 7. Ram 1500 5.7 L Cold Air Intake. Unleash the true power of your Ram 1500 5.7L 2019 to 2023 Classic 2020 with our high-performance cold air intake. Expertly designed for a flawless fit, this complete kit, featuring a polished T304 aluminum intake tube, premium air filter, and heat shield, provides everything you need for an instant upgrade. Experience a noticeable difference. Drawing more cold air directly translates into razor-sharp throttle response and an exhilarating 8 to 10% boost in horsepower, plus 6 to 8% more torque. You'll also command attention with the intense, deep, sporty sound. Best of all, installation is a breeze. No drilling or modifications required for a quick, hassle-free setup. Elevate your truck's performance today. Number 6. K&N RAM 1500 Cold Air Intake. Performance and towing boost. Unleash your Ram 1500's power with the K&N Cold Air Intake. Experience a guaranteed increase in horsepower and torque, delivering superior acceleration, a responsive throttle, and effortless towing. This dyno-validated performance is matched by an aggressive engine growl on acceleration, settling to quiet at cruise. Its high-flow, reusable air filter offers premium engine protection for up to 100,000 miles between cleanings and won't void your factory warranty. Installation is a breeze, typically under an hour with basic tools. Proudly made in the USA, upgrade your Ram's capabilities with K&N, the trusted choice for performance. Number 5. K&N Cold Air Intake. Dodge Ram Performance. Unleash your Dodge Ram's true potential with the K&N cold air intake. Proven to deliver a significant, dyno-tested boost in horsepower and torque, it transforms your truck's response. Experience an instant difference, whether conquering steep grades while towing or enjoying spirited daily driving. Prepare to hear your Ram's true voice. A satisfying growl on acceleration adds an undeniable thrill. Installation is straightforward, taking less than an hour with basic tools. The high-flow, reusable filter offers superior engine protection, requiring cleaning only every 100,000 miles. Enjoy K&N's lifetime limited warranty and American-made quality that won't void your factory warranty. Unlock your Ram's full power today. Number 4. K&N RAM Cold Air Intake, Performance and Towing. Ready to truly unleash your Ram's potential? The K&N Cold Air Intake guarantees a powerful boost in horsepower and torque, meticulously proven by trusted dyno testing. You'll instantly feel improved throttle response and superior uphill performance, transforming your towing experience whether you're cruising daily or tackling heavy loads. Beyond performance, experience the thrilling growl of your engine on acceleration, settling to quiet at speed. Installation is remarkably straightforward, typically under an hour with basic tools. Plus, our premium, high-flow, reusable filter protects your engine for up to 100,000 miles between cleanings, all backed by a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty that won't void your factory warranty. Proudly made in the USA. Elevate your Ram's performance today. Number 3. K&N RAM 1500 Cold Air Intake, Performance and Towing. Unleash your Ram 1500's true potential with the K&N Cold Air Intake. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a guaranteed, dyno-proven boost in horsepower and torque. You'll instantly feel improved throttle response, making heavy towing uphill or daily commutes smoother and more powerful. Hear your engine come alive with a satisfying, deep growl on acceleration, settling to quiet at cruising speeds. Our high-flow, reusable air filter provides superior engine protection for up to 100,000 miles, all while preserving your manufacturer's warranty. Installation is incredibly easy, typically under an hour with basic tools. Plus, with a lifetime limited warranty and proudly made in the USA, you're investing in proven quality and performance. Number 2. K&N Cold Air Intake, 2019 to 2024 RAM 1500 Performance Upgrade. Ready to truly transform your 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500? The K&N Cold Air Intake is your ultimate performance upgrade. We guarantee a significant boost in horsepower and torque, backed by rigorous, verifiable dyno testing, by delivering a flood of cool, oxygen-rich air directly to your engine. You'll instantly feel a more responsive throttle, making daily commutes more engaging and tackling heavy loads or steep inclines with dramatically improved acceleration. Plus, prepare for that satisfying engine growl on acceleration, settling back to quiet at cruising speed. Rest easy knowing your manufacturer warranty remains intact, and our no-hassle lifetime limited warranty offers premium, trusted protection for years to come. Experience the K&N difference. Number 1. RAM 1500 5.7L Performance Air Intake. Ready to truly awaken your Ram 1500's 5.7L Hemi? This performance air intake is engineered to transform your driving experience. It's more than just an auto part. It's a meticulously designed system ensuring your engine breathes deeper, pulling in a cooler, denser charge of air. The result? A noticeable boost in horsepower and torque, along with a crisper, more responsive throttle. You'll not only feel the power, but also hear that satisfying, aggressive growl from under the hood. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed for a straightforward installation, empowering you to unlock your truck's full potential effortlessly. Upgrade your ride. Feel the difference. So, that sums up my 10 best cold air intake for 5.7 Hemi RAM 1500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.